All that time I spent like looking at people and being like, man, I wish I could pull that outfit off, or man, I wish I was 5 pounds thinner, or man, if I had lost some weight, I'd be able to increase my running time. All those thoughts that I used to think about all the time are now used for things that actually serve me. Like, instead of thinking, man, I wish that I could pull that outfit off, it's, what do I have to do in my business today? Or how can I help this person today? And I just can't put into words how freeing it is if you are overweight, how freeing it can be physically and mentally and emotionally to lose some of that weight and just live, all in all, a better quality of life. This is the story of Jess. So buckle up, seatbelts ready. For me, weight has always been something that I have focused on, and I think it had something to do with, well, I know it had something to do with the fact that I hit puberty by the time I was in 4th grade. So I had boobs by the time I was in 4th grade. I was tall by the time I was in 5th grade. I think I'm the same height I am now. Maybe like 2 or 3 inches shorter, but probably not. And that alone affected me because I looked different than everybody else, and I knew I did, and I felt bigger. So I always focused on my weight loss, even from that young age. And I think what also compounded it was that I was a ballerina, and that's obviously a big hyper focus, especially where I was, because there were these beautiful costumes made for different recitals that if you did not fit in those costumes, you would not get that part, and it wouldn't matter how good you were, you didn't get that part. And that was a big thing for me as well, that made me hyper focus on my weight. And I never really lost that, I'm assuming because I started at such a young age caring. And as I got older, I maintained my weight, and then what happened to me in January of 2020 was one day I woke up and I had terrible, I can't even describe this. I'm gonna try. Terrible pain in my colon, absolutely terrible, knives stabbing my colon, to the point I was like, maybe I should go to the ER, and I didn't, but spoiler there, I didn't. But that pain lasted for about 3 weeks till I got into a gastroenterologist, and I couldn't go to the bathroom. Maybe that's TMI. I don't care. This is my channel, so I don't care. I couldn't go to the bathroom for 3 weeks. I couldn't eat anything but Progresso soup. So if you have stock in Progresso soup, you're welcome, because I helped that. There's probably an increase in January 2020 because it was from me buying soup all the time. And what happened there was I gained weight. I gained, I would say, about 10 pounds. And that just for some reason, it affected everything I did. It affected my mindset. It affected my energy output. It affected my relationships, because I was very self-conscious with this weight gain, while still dealing with my colon pain, and I became miserable. I was freaking miserable. And eventually, the gastroenterologist, you have to, it's what you eat. It's what you eat is important. So I started changing my diet a little bit, because I could start eating more than Progresso soup. And once quarantine hit, I was like, I'm gonna do 2 a days. So I would work out in the morning, and then I'd go run in the afternoon, lunchtime-ish time, and I wasn't seeing any results. And I was getting pissed. Super pissed. I was like, I am working out almost 2 hours a day, and I am not seeing results. And when I reflect back on that time, it's duh, I wasn't eating right. I was getting a little more fiber into my diet by eating blackberries, because they're my absolute favorite, but I wasn't 100% dialed in. And ever since I had that revelation, I 100% dialed in, and I lost 15 pounds. So I lost the 10 pounds I gained from the whole colon saga of 2020, early 2020. And I, on top of that, lost an extra 5 pounds just from eating right. And I will say that I do not work out 2 hours a day anymore. In fact, I work out 45 minutes a day. And the fact that I found something for me that it changed my life, right? It changed my life. I no longer look at somebody and go, man, I wish I could pull that outfit off, right? Or I think about, like, man, if only I was a few pounds thinner. Like, I don't have those thoughts anymore because I'm comfortable with who I am thanks to that weight loss. And on top of that, the health benefits I've had from my colon and my gallbladder and all of the messed up digestive organs I somehow acquired, I don't have those issues anymore. And I can't stress enough how much weight loss can help you if you are overweight. If you're underweight, please, that's not going to help you. But if you are overweight, don't ever de-emphasize how much losing weight can help your everyday life and just you as who you are as a person, not just for the health benefits like I've personally received, and I know that there are tons of research studies showing the health benefits of weight loss and exercise for those that are overweight, but also the confidence I've gained. I mean, the confidence I've gained, frick, I opened my own business. A, because I'm so passionate about this, but B, because the confidence I have developed from living a healthier lifestyle it's insane.